Sanibona bafethu. So namhlanje idlala Orlando Pirates idlala against SuperSport United. SuperSport United ke iyona hostile le game le idlala home. Yabo, I'm not happy. Yabo, ngiqale nje ngisho ukuthi angikho happy ngalama games esiwadlalayo. Sidlale 2 games since Jose Rivera ehambile. Kulama games o2 game yokuqala sayidlala nale team le TS Galaxy. Njengoba sidlala ne TS Galaxy, yes. First half wababona abafana bafuna ukwenzani, but throughout the game we didn't see izinto esasizenza. Yabo, you didn't see anything useful esasiyenza. Like indlela yokuphasa, indlela esiphasa ngakhona sikhombisa ukuthi sile team le adidlala ngosikhathi kukhona uJose Rivera. Yabo, it's like khona into vele yashintshwa nje. Noma kube naleyo shift, angazi noma mhlawumbe aba players asakhala ukuthi uJose uhambile noma mhlawumbe yimina. Yabo, but nje indlela edlala khona ayijabulisi, even though today we won. Yabo, I would like to congratulate the boys. Congratulate the boys ukuthi siwinile bafethu 1-0, a beautiful goal from Onkota, a beautiful assist from Mukarem Kimvuiti. But ke asingakhohlwa ukuthi igame namhlanje sidlale umsangano. Indlela edlala ngakhona ibhola belisuka emuva liye center. I feel like khona in this blockayo there is no accuracy when we pass the ball. Yabo, every time when we try to pass the ball izinto ziyasibhedela. Abo Shandu, abo Tito Maswangane, they were off. Yabo, I really liked indlela adlala ngakhona lo mfana omncane udladla uyitholile opportunity wayisebenzisa namhlanje. Simbudile umfana omncane evimba. I would like to see more of udladla mfethu evimba. Yabo, I'd like to see more of udladla. Sifuna into kanje. Asikwazi ukuthi sithembele kumdlali kuthi udladla, okay, let's say uyalimala ubuthelezi. Sifuna ukubona phela ukuthi okay, melimala ubuthelezi, melimala uSipocheni uba uzozivimbela. So today we sitholile ithuba simbone udladla edlala namhlanje. Next game uyafisa ukumbona futhi udladla edlala. USipocheni athi ukurelax kancane. I'm not saying uSipocheni uyabheda, but we need to see these young boys play more often. Yabo, we need to see these young boys playing. But again, overall game for me, it was not a good game, but again, we managed to get 3 points. Kuyonto esiyidingayo. Yabo, right now we are experimenting, I know, but again, adlalise ukuthi melazi ibhola, adlalise ukuthi engalazi ibhola, sidlalise ukuthi engalazi njalo ibhola. Yabona lento futhi ukuqalisa uDlamini, I know uDlamini uyakwazi ukudlala, nami ngibuye yabo kumalana neprediction ngibuye ngimfaka uDlamini, but sengibonile lento le. Angathi uDlamini sesimqalisa kakhulu ama games, kumele athi ukupaka kancane ebenchini. Now Tito Maswanganyi form yakhe isiyehlile. Yabo, I know a lot of people don't like uTito Maswanganyi, but bafethu angimele simnamathela kakhulu uTito. Yabo, angimele simnamathela kakhulu naye umuntu, but iform yakhe for me, I don't wanna lie, yehlile iform yamchita. I hope uya pick up kwi preseason. Yabo, azama ukukhuluma nomuntu mhlambe melahlekelwe imoral or something, but ke iform yakhe yena yehlile. Yabo, but ke overall I'm not happy. I hope next game soyidlala namaZulu sokwazi ukudlala kahle. Salela ama games awu2. Salela ama games awu2 igame yamaZulu lesoyidlala mase sidlala nemagisi sedlala home. Yabo, I think that's about it. Ngangitshela wena ukuthi ikuphathe kanjani igame namhlanje, imapha amaphutho wabonile, imapha ama positives, imapha ama negatives. Ama positives ukuthi lo mfana lo udladla uyitholile uthuba namhlanje usadlale, but ke 3 points abafana bawinile. Sobona next game. Yabo, next season ke yasazi usiphathele next season. Ama signings azo announce soon. Yabo, Uvane Sport bafethu ungakhohlwa usubscribe ka YouTube Uvane Sport, ufike usearch nje lapha. Yabo, ngiyatholakala futhi na Instagram Uvane Sports. Everywhere Uvane Sports, everywhere you go MTN.